ice, and that's the way the carrot crumbles. You okay, Flopsy?
Tweet, 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 tweet. Did you hear that bird?
Flopsy.
Well, it wasn't really a bird. It was me, Ernie. I was just pretending to make the sound of a bird. Hey, how about if we play Ernie Says with different sounds? Sound good to you? Just make the same sound I make. Ernie says, make the sound of a police car, like this. Woo, 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 woo. Come on, do it with me. Woo, 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 woo. Keep going. Woo, woo.
A police car! I hear a police car! Do you hear a police car? Where's the emergency? Ernie!
An
Where's
emergency.
the emergency? Super Grover will save the day!
Super Grover, there is no police car.
There is not?
Nope, that was just us making the sound of a police car.
Oh, I knew that. And now, if you will excuse me, I am off to save the day! Somewhere else. How about over here?
Hi, Grover. Hey, what's another sound we can make? I know. Ernie says, meow like a cat. Come on, everybody. Meow, 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 meow like a cute little cuddly cat. Meow, meow, meow. Keep meowing, meow.
Where's the kitty? I hear a little kitty.
Meow.
You hear a little kitty?
Meow.
Oh, it could be stuck in a tree somewhere. But Super Grover, will save it.
There is no kitty.
There's not.
No, we were just making the sound of a kitty cat.
Of course.
Sorry, Grover.
Back to the skies.
Okay, what sound will we do next? I know, a telephone. Ernie says go ring, ring, like a phone. Ring, keep ringing, ring.
It is a telephone that is not being answered. A phone machine that did not pick up, but Super Grover will.
Ring.
Never mind.
Sorry, Grover. That was a great game, everybody. Thanks for playing Ernie Says with me. See you later.
Very funny, but you cannot fool me. I, Super Grover, hear a lion roaring. But I know it is not a real lion. I was not born yesterday. Come on now. It is just you making the sound of a lion. Yes, you and Ernie. Ernie, I have to have a talk with you. Ernie? No. I did not think so. Wait, Super Grover, I will save you. Come back.
Hey, Bert. Old Ernie is here to save the day, Bert.